guys, Candida here, and I recently purchased the Pura home fragrance device. I always fear that my house just doesn't smell fresh when I have visitors. And so I wanted something that would make my house smell fresh all the time. And this has not disappointed. I love the fact that it connects to my app on my phone. And so I can adjust the fragrance, I can adjust the lights, and I can adjust the time that it comes on automatically. Since putting this in my house, each time someone comes over, they tell me how fresh my house smells. So here you can see that the light is on. That simply means that the scents are diffusing right now and making my house smell nice and yummy. Just like that, I can pop it off. And here you can see the scents that I have. Right now, I currently have ocean mist and volcano. What I like is I can rotate the scents. So in the morning, we can wake up to one, and then in the evenings, we can cool it down with another one. And so I do like the fact that I'm able to alternate. There are a ton of different scents available, and so I'm able to customize it. If for any reason I ever need to reset it, here's the easy reset button. So it's simple to get to. It is connected to my Wi-Fi, which is how I can use the app. So I hope you found this review helpful.